award-winning interior designer Patricia Davis Brown, speaking to you for ehow.com. And you're probably wondering, why am I standing in a shower? Well, the reason I am is that's what we're going to talk about today, how to remodel your bathtub into a shower. And there's a few points that I want to point out. I think that deciding to do this is a great idea because when you have a bathtub with a shower curtain, it cuts a small bathroom space in half. By removing the bathtub, introducing clear glass shower doors like you see here, you see completely through the glass into the beautiful tile that will become your new shower. Again, visually, you're increasing the space without actually knocking down a wall. Now, the next tip that I would give you is to develop a professional plan. Who would do that? A certified bathroom designer. I myself, besides being an interior designer, I'm a certified kitchen and bath designer because as a designer, I know that these are two of the most difficult rooms to remodel. And I took it upon myself to train myself in those areas because I know it means so much to people because they're spending a lot of money. So in considering this, when you hire a professional to do your plan, you're not only going to get a plan view and elevation, but you're also going to get a lighting design. And that is extremely important in the bathroom because that's where you do task areas such as shaving and putting on makeup. So a professional is going to think about that. Now, we've talked about several things from removal of a bathtub to moving the drain to installing glass enclosures. And of course, we'd have tile to consider. So this takes a team. So once you've developed the plans, you now can look at a contractor and have him price it amongst his subs. And I would recommend at least picking 2 contractors. By doing this, this puts the ball in your place before even starting the remodel project. Because once you start it, you're into it. Isn't it better to go ahead and get prices from 2 independent contractors and make sure that the project is affordable and that nobody's missed anything? Well, these are important tips because look at what you have to do. You've got to first remove a bathtub. Then you've got to cut out the slab where the shower is going to be. And then you have to build a curb. You're also going to have to move the drain. Once again, this is not a DIY project. The drain will be moved to the center, such as you see here. A shower pan will be put in, and it needs to be put in properly. If it isn't done properly, on down the road, it's going to leak, and it may be a while before you even find that, costing the homeowner a lot of money. Not only could it leak and ruin all your new beautiful tile, but it could also affect adjacent rooms. Very costly. So please consider all these tips before you even set out on this journey. Also, I recommend making sure that all 3 walls of the shower go all the way up to ceiling, making sure that all the wet spaces are taken care of. And don't forget Durarock, very important. We want to watertight everything, all the walls with the tile. We don't want to have to redo this again. It's just too much money. So once again, you want to hire the professionals, create the team, and then implement it. And then you're going to have the perfect remodel. So for further design tips, please check out my blog at digthisdesign.net.